Good day to you all. In this video we'll be solving one problem which is asked in the previous question paper, that is July 2025 of ML subject. The question which we are solving today is 9th A, okay, which is of 10 marks. Consider the following set of data given in the table. Cluster it using the k-means algorithm with initial values of object 2 and 5 with the coordinates value 4, 6 and 12, 4 as initial seeds. Means they have said already you have to consider the initial values, that is object 2 and the object 5, and then we have to proceed with the problem. Okay, so this is the 10 marks question. It's very easy, nothing complicated, easily you can score this. Let me see the process. So this is a k-means clustering solution. The problem we have again restated here. Okay, so here the given data points are, I think it's visible. So these are the question, and here they have already given we have to consider the initial points as object 2 and the object 5, right? So which is a data points of 4, 6 and 12, 4. Fine, the same thing stated here, given data sets, and this is the initial clusters that they are told to consider, that is object 2 and the object 5. Now normally to find the k-means we are using the Euclidean distance formula only, that is d is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, this distance formula we are applying for each and every points. Fine, so this is the initial point. Okay, so initial point is 2, 4, and we have to find it with the 4, 6. Okay, this is x1 y1 and the second point is x2 y2. You have to consider like this. So this is the initial point. So 2, 4 means what? You have to first take the distance from 2, 4 with the given object 1, that is 4, 6, and again 2, 4 with the object 2, that is 12, 4. Okay, so like that you have to apply the formula. So here x1 minus x2 the whole square, that is 2 minus 4 the whole square plus 4 minus 6 the whole square. Okay, when you solve this you will get the square root of 8, which is 2.83. Same way 2, 12 the whole square plus 4 minus 4 the whole square. So 2 minus 12 it is, you will get it as 10. 10 square is 100. So it is how square root of 100 is 10. Okay, in this we are considering the minimum value, which is nearby values. The minimum value is 2.85. so we are considering it belongs to the cluster C1. Okay, and then 4, 6 with the same cluster, that is the object 2. So when you do same distance formula it will come 0, and then this distance with the object 2, that is 12, 4, you will get it as square root of 68. Okay, and here the minimum is 0, so we are considering C1 cluster, it belongs to C1 cluster. Similarly 6, 8 with the cluster 1, that is 4, 6, that is 6 minus 4 the whole square and 8 minus 2 the whole square, that is 2 square plus 2 square, that is 8 it will be. So square root of 8 is 2.83. Similarly 4, 6 with the 6, 8 with the 12, 4, you have to apply distance formula, you will get square root of 52. Okay, in this minimum is automatically C1, so it belongs to the cluster C1. The same way you have to solve for 10, 4 and the 4, 6, 10, 4 and 12, 4. In this minimum is 2, and same way here 12, 4 with the 12, 4 it will be 0, and 12, 4 with the 4, 6 it will be 8.25. In these two values minimum is 2 and 0, which belongs to the cluster C2, so it is C2. Okay, now as this table whatever it is given, C1 and C2. So object 1 belongs to the C1, object 2 belongs to the C1 clusters, so like that it is. So same it's been assigned here, object 1, object 2, object 3 be assigned to the cluster 1, and object 4 and object 5 assigned to the cluster 2. Okay, these are the two clusters now which is formed. Now for this we have to find the centroid. So here you can see 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 and 4 plus 6 plus 8 you have to do. So this is how you will get the centroid, divided by 3, so it is 4, 6. The same way 10 plus 12 and 4 plus 4 divided by 2, so it will be 11, 4. This is your new centroid for the existing clusters. Okay, so there's a new centroid, and the final answer will be these are the two clusters. Okay, this is how you have to solve the problems. Okay, thank you, all the best for the exam.